Want to generate stunning AI images in seconds with absolutely no login required and zero cost? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm showing you how to use Raphael AI, a completely free, unlimited AI image generator that you can use right now in 2026. If you're tired of signing up for subscriptions just to try out new AI models, Raphael AI is going to be a game changer for you. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, head over to raphael.app. The best part about this platform is the absolute lack of friction. You don't need to create an account, verify an email, or put in a credit card. It is 100% free with unlimited generations. Right on the homepage, you'll see the prompt box where you can type in whatever you want to create. If you're feeling stuck, you can scroll down to the Get Inspired or Try a Style sections. They have pre-made prompts for everything from high-quality sci-fi illustrations and 3D cartoon scenes to dark fantasy anime. You can literally just click one of these to instantly load a high-quality prompt. Before you hit Generate, let's look at the models. Raphael AI brings some of the world's top AI models into one place. You can choose options like GPT Image 2, which is great for precise prompts, clean text, and product shots, or Dream 5.0 for cinematic realism and dramatic lighting. There's also Nano Banana 2 for fast style control, and even video models like Dance 2.0 and Kling 3.0 for smooth motion. Once you've typed your prompt or selected a style, you can adjust your settings. You can toggle options like AI Enhance, select your aspect ratio, turn on fast mode, and then simply click Generate Free. Within seconds, your image is ready to download. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. On the pro side, the no login barrier to entry and unlimited free generations make this incredibly accessible for quick projects. You also get a massive variety of top-tier models all in one interface. For the cons, honestly, because this is a relatively fresh tool, we don't have a massive library of external third-party user reviews to draw from yet. This means we can't fully speak to how the platform handles heavy server traffic during peak hours, or if certain advanced features might eventually go behind a paywall. But since it's completely free to try with no sign-up, there is absolutely no risk in testing it out yourself to see if it fits your workflow. Head over to raphael.app and let me know in the comments which model gave you the best results. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.